Hey guys, Ray from Love You RV. Well, fun times today. I get to repair a day-night shade. So I'm kind of lucky this is only the second one that's failed. This was the first one over here. I actually did a video on it. I'll link back to that. I thought I'd do this video because this one's a little more complex. We got 4 strings going through it. And one of the strings is busted, so when you go to put the shade up, this is what happens. Just like that, and you can see right here got a broken string. So I have to pull the valance off and then unscrew the blind from the wall, and I think I'll take it outside and do it maybe on my truck bed where I have more space, and let you know how to restring this sucker. Okay, got her off the wall. There was 3 screws screwed into the cabinet there. And then at each end there was a couple screws holding the valance on. Then the blind is screwed to the top of the valance here. Yeah, they went real staple happy. Look at that. Beautiful craftsmanship. Check that out. Wow. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. Don't you love the fit and finish? Oh, look at that. Beauty. Okay, let's get the blind outside. So this is the kit I got last time. Lots of cord left in it. Gives you some instructions here. Yeah, only had 2 cords there. I'm hoping maybe this is version 2 of what I have, but there is a couple other versions here. Version 3, version 4. Okay, so I run into a bit of a conundrum here. The diagram on the string kit I got doesn't really match how this one is wound. See, this string comes down here, it moves over one hole and down, and then same thing here, this thing comes down, moves over one hole and down. I have 2 broken strings, so I'm not exactly sure what they did. And in here you can see the strings come down. There's 4 strings and they move over 2 holes down and back across. And at the bottom, I'm not sure what went on with mine because the 2 strings were broken. And just to take it apart, you kind of lose the strings. So I think what I'm going to do is copy exactly what they've done in this diagram. And hopefully that'll work out for me and be easier rather than guess what went on in this one. It's possible maybe even they wound it wrong at the factory or whatever. To get things apart, there's some plastic clips that just come out of here. They're just press fit, so you just kind of get a screwdriver and carefully get them out without breaking them. So this is the top rail. First step is going to be to tie 4 new strings onto this spring. Okay, so I've got the top one threaded. Now the next ones have to drop down and go 2 over. These 2 go 2 over this way, and these 2 go 2 over this way and get threaded through the next section. To keep them together, I just use some zero residue duct tape so it won't leave any marks. Some people use elastic bands or different clips. Okay, so we want to go 2 over with this one. Okay, managed to get them threaded through the holes. Super finicky. Make sure you don't have your beer before the job. Always have your beer after the job. Otherwise it's going to be very frustrating. So now I'll put these together and then we'll just have the bottom rail to finish up. Okay, I wanted to do a few physical contortions to get that back in place. Basically held the blind up, and then at each end I tightened the strings with the little round plastic doohickeys that you put through there. But everything seems to be working. Just give you a test. There we go, that's the night shade. And the day shade. And no shade. There we are. And if you're wondering what this screen, kind of screen looking thing is, that's my outside shades. Blocks the sun, keeps the heat out of the rig. And also this is a custom day bed that I built a number of years back. It's been really good. Nice place to lay out, have a nap, or watch TV. I'll link to both of those projects as well. Till next time, Ray from loveyourrv.com. Thanks for watching, everyone. Cheers, folks.